like cookie?
Yes, of course. I like cookie everything.
Yeah, cookie. Hey, hey. I like cookie. 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 No, my friend sent me a box of cookies. He sent me a box this fucking big. Sorry, don't look at my cookie. But he sent me a box this big. This big. See what I'm saying? Like that? That's the perspective. That's the circumference of many cookies. An array of cookie. Like 10 cookie. All different cookie. Different flavor of cookie. Different ingredient of cookie. Not vegan cookie, but different cookie. All non-vegan cookie. Stop eating cookie crumbs! And so, but this one is its own special flavor. And it's called Not Today, Mr. Muffin Man. And it's a blueberry muffin flavor cookie. So I'm eating this cookie. It's the best cookie I've ever had in my whole life. Okay, the cookies are called. They're called Last Crumb Cookies. They come in a box like this, and they make them the night before. They ship you it overnight. Doesn't make sense. They make the cookies and they ship it overnight to you in a big box like this, cookie. And then you open the damn box, right? You open the damn box, and inside is cookies. So many cookies. And you got all the cookies that you want. And different flavor of cookie. And this cookie's flavor is called Better Than Sex. This is a classic chocolate chip cookie. This is a birthday cake cookie, and it's called the 50 cent. It doesn't make sense why it would be called the 50 cent. Oh. Go, shorty, it's your birthday. Never mind. So this one's called the 50 cent. A few of the cookie are missing because I ate so much, all of the cookies. This one is a macadamian. It's called macadamia, which is a really stupid fucking name, but it's a delicious cookie, and it's called salted caramel macadamia. The next one is called the Madonna, and it's a peanut butter. I don't like peanut butter cookie, but if I'm gonna eat a peanut butter cookie, it's gonna be from Last Crumb. Now, this is called the Netflix and what the fuck? What the fuck? Who ate my fucking Captain Crunch cookie? Oh! Listen, I wouldn't be making such a big deal out of this, but fucking, it's like a Michelin star cookie. So when you order the cookie, the fucking cookie is it's gonna be hard to do it because it's a high demand cookie. So the fact that they ate my fucking Captain Crunch cookie, the only cookie that I'm gonna have, in a long time cookie that is the flavor of Captain Crunch, which is so delicious, and I only had one bite. Only one bite, bitch. The fact that they would eat my cookie without asking me. Never mind, the cookie is there. I just read it wrong. It's because it's called Netflix and Crunch. It's actually, this is my cookie. This is the cookie. Nobody ate my cookie. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. And I overreacted. I apologize for my behaviors and actions. Alex, get off of my, why are you stepping on cookie like that? Stop stepping on my cookie. Stop it. Leave my cookie, Alex. Anywho, this is a Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookie. Yeah. Oh boy. Cookie. Anyway, my favorite hack is when I got these cookies, I take the cookie, put it in a steamer. Steam the cookie till it's juicy and wet, like a cake. Then you take vanilla ice cream, put it under the cookie. And then you eat the cookie with the ice cream. Same time, simultaneous. I love cookie. This is really starting to get out of hand. What's going on? Y'all are sending me a lot of things, and I really appreciate that, but at the same time, I wish that I could read what everybody else is saying. Like, every time I look, there's something new. There's cat ears appearing on my head. There's MLG glasses on. Shrek Swamp and a Dr. Seuss house just appearing over the screen and covering not only the chat, but me up to the top of my head. And I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I look like. I forgot. Now there's a carousel with horses, and it's making sounds. Not only is it getting in the way, but it's speaking over me. There's a Tamagotchi with a cat that sticks out of it. A fucking what looks like a present with a bunch of ribbons and a heart-shaped balloon with a space on it. Get out of me, swamp. I'm tired of this. You guys, I really do appreciate all the gifts. I do. But please stop it. Make it stop. I can't read the chat. That's a crown. But that's okay because the crown is in a... See, the thing